You guys, the Laban Write to Heal box that I ordered last May 31st, it's here, and I thought I'd do an unboxing. So this was delivered by DHL here to my home in Manila, Philippines. It came in this cardboard box. I already cut this open just so you know you don't have to watch me cutting like tape open. But this is the first time I'm opening it, so let's see what we have here. So, you know, Right to Heal was a nice charity thing, sort of a mystery box by Laban. Ooh, and here we are. Okay, let me turn that over. Oh, I'm sorry, I keep hitting the... Okay, let me move that. Alright, so here we are. There is the Right to Heal bag. I'm move this bubble wrap over so I can like play with it later. Here is the lovely bag. There's an L, which is, you know, my favorite letter. And I can't wait to see what's in here. Alright, so I like this bag. I'm going to try to preserve it as much as I can because I likey. What have we got here? Okay, so first off, I don't know what's in that box. Another lovely box. And more bubble wrap. Another lovely box. And what I believe is ink. There's Laban Blue. I have not tried any Laban inks yet, so I'm quite excited to see what we got. Alright, so I'm going to... Oh... Well, that's nice. That says, thank you for supporting our Right to Heal grab bag project. Oh, this Laban fountain pen chose you. Stay calm and write on. Well, let's see what's in here. First of all, we've got... Oh, isn't that lovely? I believe this is a ballpoint. It's so pretty. I like it. It's, yeah, I think it's a rollerball. I can't get that out. But you know what? I'm going to open it later and do, like, writing samples and stuff. But I do believe that's a rollerball. And, oh, gosh! Oh, this is awesome! I got the EF Laban Cambridge. Latte. This is funny because I actually... Oh, wow. Anyway, I'll talk about it more later, but yay! I love it. This must be... Oh, wait a minute. That must be the... Yeah, this is the rollerball. What else? It's pretty. So we got these, and... I am so glad that I joined this project. Oh, this is nice. Nice case. I'm gonna put stuff in that. And, oh, okay. So that's it. Oh, look at that. Nice little bookmark. I love bookmarks. All right. Look at that. So I will be oh, another bookmark. Yo, I will be unboxing these and trying them out, inking them up, and I'll see you again. Thank you so much, Laban. I love it. Thank you.